JoCat is a super talented YouTuber and animator, and we recently teamed up with him to build a really special one-of-a-kind PC. Our design team was really excited to work with JoCat because as a designer himself, it felt almost like we were able to design a system as if he was part of the family. JoCat already has a very established brand image with soft yellow and blue pastels and a playful logo and aesthetic. And it was obvious we needed to kind of walk the line between something bold and unique, but also understated and clean. The case we used for JoCat was actually one that I've been waiting to use for a long time. It's the AZZA cast, and I just love the size and simplicity of form this chassis offers, but also that DeLorean-style swinging panel, which you can lift up to reveal the computer's gorgeous interior. The side panel gap also provides a great opportunity to get playful with acrylic, and we thought the addition of JoCat's signature cat ears and bow was the perfect way to take advantage of that. On the front, we wanted to try some new techniques. By UV printing on the bottom of frosted acrylic, we were able to achieve this gorgeous stacked glass effect, acting as the perfect stage for a lovely glossy JoCat logo directly in the center. One of my favorite parts of this PC is actually the cable sleeving, which subtly includes every color in JoCat's brand palette. For specs, we hooked him up with an Intel Core i9-10920X, 32GB of G.Skill memory, a 1TB M.2, a 4TB hard drive, and an RTX 3080 Ti graphics card. This was such a fun project, and the end result feels like the perfect balance between playful and minimal. And I think this build is stunning in such an understated way, and that's before you even get to like the buoyantly colored internals. We absolutely can't wait to see this computer atop JoCat's desk.